I wanted to talk about 3 of the biggest lessons that I learned as a hair loss specialist, and hopefully someone who's new into this area, new into doing hair loss services, can learn from my mistakes. Number 1, allowing your clients to settle. Sometimes you're going to have a guest come in and she has hair loss like this, and she's going to explain to you that she wants to wear a topper, she wants to wear a wig, or she might even ask you for an extended wear attachment. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is just plopping a hairpiece on her head and letting her go. Knowing that she has the potential for regrowth and not addressing it is just going to make the situation worse. So if you have a guest in your chair who is experiencing hair loss and you don't know what to do, please, at a minimum, urge that client to go see a dermatologist and a hair loss specialist or a trichologist. Please really push the importance of having intervention to stop this from getting worse or to find out exactly what's going on. This is the beginning stages of hair loss, and if you address this now, you can stop this from getting way worse. Number 2, allowing a client to make decisions based off pricing. You have a guest come in with hair loss like this, and this guest is going to tell you her story. Her story is going to consist of she's been hiding, that she misses out on events, that she is very uncomfortable. She's also going to tell you that she's hot. She's going to tell you that she wants to be more confident. When you do your estimate or you let her know the pricing, she might tell you, this is too expensive, this is not in my budget, and you might sell her a commercial wig. You might sell her just a regular off-the-shelf wig just so she can have something. And I get it, your heart is in the right place, but you are not serving that guest because that guest is still going to be exactly where she started off. She's still going to be uncomfortable. She's still going to be hot. She's not getting the service that she deserves. And it's nothing more loving than telling a person, let's just wait and do this when you can. It's nothing more loving than saying, let's just wait till the time is right, opposed to just selling them something to get them out of the door. Number 3, one of the biggest lessons that I learned is listen to the OGs. Listen to the people who have been doing this for years. If you pay attention to your trainings, if you pay attention to education, pay attention. The ones who have the very successful hair loss practices, they are never in those classes with you, because they know the basics. The tried and true with alternative hair, non-surgical hair placement is always going to be best, and it's always going to work. If you know the basics, if you know the OG hair replacement, then you'll see that all these new techniques and all of these new fads are not going to matter, because if you have your basics down, then you know that you can design and install any system you see. So those are the lessons that I learned as a hair loss specialist. Hopefully my video was helpful to somebody. Hopefully. Thank you for watching it.